Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HubSpot workflows for CRM automation, complete guide step by step clearly. To download HubSpot workflows for CRM automation, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Workflows tool by clicking on Automation in the main dashboard. Select Workflows from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Workflows dashboard, find the workflow you wish to download. Click on the name of the workflow to open it. Once the workflow is open, look for the Options menu, usually represented by three dots in the upper right corner. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options. From the Options menu, select Export. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to choose the format for the export. Select your preferred format, usually CSV or JSON, depending on your needs. After selecting the format, click on the Export button to begin the download process. Once the export is complete, a notification will confirm that the file has been downloaded to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Open the file to review its contents and ensure it meets your requirements. Now you can import this workflow into another HubSpot account or utilize it for documentation purposes. Make sure to follow any guidelines provided by HubSpot regarding the usage of downloaded workflows. You are now ready to implement or share your HubSpot workflow for enhanced CRM automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.